Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to the virtual showroom. Here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle, 2019 Hyundai Tucson Preferred all-wheel drive. You've seen the kilometers. Boy, she's a beauty. She's got a great price and it's ready to sell. Only found here at Seaway Hyundai. I do all the buying and I make sure I find the best deal for you. So again, let's do a quick walk around the vehicle. This way you see exactly what it looks like. We like full transparency. Because if you're like me, you like to do some couch shopping, it's good to see what you're looking at. So you got the H-Track all-wheel drive, preferred all-wheel drives, a midline package. You get lots of safety features. Changed in 2019, the packages. So again, nice to show you. As you can see, body-wise in very nice shape. You got the alloy wheels, tons of meat on the tires, which is to be expected. Turn signal indicators. You got fog lights, nice beefy Hyundai grille. So you can see the hood's in nice shape. Glass is in nice shape, roof is in nice shape. You've got side rails here, so you can always add cross rails if you have a kayak carrier, bike carrier, ski racks, anything like that. So again, very versatile vehicle. We don't want to think about snow for many, many months, but hey, you know it's coming back, so might as well be ready with an all-wheel drive vehicle. Sorry, my hand's a little shaky today. So again, here we go. Nice good sized trunk. You got anchors on all three seats, so that's nice. You have up to 3 anchors for kid seats. Seats are 60-40 split folding. You also got your spare down here. Heaven forbid you need it, but it is there. So again, good sized trunk. Tucson's definitely would have been one of our best sellers for many years. It's got a great name, good size, and that's why it's so popular. You can see back's all in nice shape, cloth's in nice shape. You got some rear ventilation here. You've got in the center some cup holders which fold out, but if you need them up for that extra passenger, definitely have the ability to do that. 2-stage heated seats, power windows in the rear, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You've got locking rear windows as well, great feature for the kids. Adjustable driver's seat, up, down, left, right, back and forth. You got all the momentum. So here's some of the additional safety features, and we'll go over some more. I'm going to jump in very quickly. You can adjust your interior illumination. You have lane departure warning. You've got adaptive cruise. You got traction control, which you can shut off. And you have 4-wheel drive lock for that really snowy day that, again, I do not want to talk about anytime soon. I'm going to jump in. So here we go. What else do you get in this vehicle? You've got all your volume, Bluetooth, hands-free calling on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. On the right-hand side, you got your information sensor, which you can toggle through and see different features, which you can customize the vehicle. You've got cruise control, all at the tips of at your fingertips. You got drive modes. So again, you can drive it in sport mode or normal mode. You've got downhill brake assist control. You got your auxiliaries and inputs down there. Some of the more comfort features, you got 3-stage heated seats on both sides. You've got heated steering wheel, front and rear defrost, temperature gauges, easy to use. You got your hazards here if you ever needed them. When we move up, here's your infotainment center. You got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities. So nice thing about that, no need to go to the top line model now. You plug your Apple phone in, your Android phone, have access to navigation, real-time traffic reports, all your apps, all your music, all that good stuff. But again, built in right there, obviously has Bluetooth, lots of cool features, and don't forget, backup camera. So again, very versatile, lots of features. Cloth's in nice shape, dash is in nice shape, no cuts or rips, and those are all important things because again, there's lots of options out there, so transparency is key here at Seaway Hyundai. So again, I've just shown you a 2019 Hyundai Tucson Preferred all-wheel drive. Great kilometers, lots of features. As always, you can call, text, or email us if you have any questions about this unit or anything else. You can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com. Feel free to reach out for anything. We're definitely here to help, and thanks for watching.